Hey class, today you'll be completing the Waves extension assignment. This assignment is posted on Shobi. When you get to Shobi, click on the Waves extension assignment. And here it says, hello students, here is your to-do list today during third hour. You're going to first finish creating the concept map or the bubble web using these vocabulary terms from this unit. Yesterday we created a rough draft using sticky notes and these terms: amplitude, compression wave, crest, kinetic energy, longitudinal wave, node, reflection, transverse wave, trough, and wavelength. Hopefully yesterday you had enough time to draw lines between these terms that are connected, and once you finish that, you should have written on the lines how the concepts are related. Make sure that you pick a medium that you'll be able to draw on the lines, and if not, if you start creating a poplet, you might have to take the poplet, screenshot it, put it into Sketches School, and draw on the lines that way. So you're going to write on the lines how the concepts are related. Create the concept map on Sketches School Drawing App, Poplet, on construction paper, or in your science notebooks. Upload a picture of it here on Shobi. Submit it using the plus sign and going to Photos after you screenshot it. Once you finish that assignment, you're going to finish Lab Notebook page 3 response sheet. Response sheet page 3 is right here. Response sheet investigation 1. A group of students made a standing transverse wave with a long spring. Their teacher asked them to find the wavelength. Student A drew this diagram. Wavelength equals 20 centimeters. Student B drew this diagram. Wavelength equals 20 centimeters. If you were in this group, what would you tell student A and student B to help them understand? Write your response on the back of this page. If you prefer lined paper, you can write in your notebook. If you prefer typing on pages, you may write on there. And if you prefer typing on notes, or I'm trying to think of another app right now, you may use that instead. But make sure that you screenshot it and upload it to the Waves extension assignment on Shobi. So if you write it as a comment, make sure that you're answering number 2. So put response to page 3 response sheet. Okay, so that was number 2. Number 3 today says to go back through Investigation 1 lab packet, select one key point that summarizes an important finding from this investigation. Record this key point in your lab notebook. Then take a picture of what you wrote and upload it here. Turn in your lab packet to the basket or in Shobi when finished. So to summarize that, you're going through and you're opening up the lab pages, you're looking through, and you're selecting one key point of something that we've learned so far this unit. You're making sure that your whole packet is completed and selecting that one key point. Once you have that one key point, you should either write it in your lab notebook as a comment on Shobi or typing on pages, and then upload it to Shobi when you're finished. Okay, moving on to the next one. For number 4, you're going to answer this question as a comment here on Shobi. What are the properties of all waves? Remember during class, we talked about 2 things that all waves have. Identify those 2 things that all waves have with a written response here on Shobi. Number 5, show the substitute that you have completed all of the work listed here, and then you may design/create a simple wave machine using materials such as spaghetti noodles, mini marshmallows, and masking tape. On your Shobi, it has a link to the video showing a simple wave machine. Be sure to clean up when you're finished and remember to follow the frog rules. Pause the video at any time. You can go back and see what you did if you forgot. Use this video as your guide to complete your assignments today.